Hello and namaskar. Here in this video, I'm going to discuss about two topics, and that is motivation to write and generating ideas and creative thinking skills. So, how to find motivations? We need to have two different skills in order to develop, in order to have the creative writing skills, especially the writing skills. We need to develop the reading skills and the listening skills. So we need to read like a writer, like reading others' books, how others write, how others talk, listening to podcasts, and also reflecting on how the organization and patterns, word patterns are made, how things are organized, their coherence, cohesion. And this can be developed only when we read others' works. Of course, the subject has to be of our interest, but we need to develop that reading and listening skills. Then comes the visual motivation. This is a very unique idea of developing our ideas by looking at things not only outside, the outside, look around, nature, people, objects. And when you talk about looking inside, it's about the feelings, emotions, anxiety, anything that we experience. We need to feel that, even if it's frustration, anger, and emptiness. It is required for us to go through that. When we close our eyes, we can feel what are the experiences or what are the feelings and emotions that we are going through. So, this is required to serve the purpose of our imagination. And for that, we need a visual motivation, not only by looking outside, we also need to visually motivate ourselves by looking inside what is there, looking inside us. Then comes the sound motivations. In sound motivation, it's similar. Like we have to listen to the sounds outside in the external world, and also we need to look, we need to hear the sounds that is developed inside us. So the noise around outside, like somebody talking, laughing, or any animals making sounds, music, laughter, cries, symphony of nature, anything. It may be the sound waves. It may be the, sea waves, the sound of the waves of the seashore. That is also a, kind of sound outside. When we talk about inside, then we are actually talking about the inner voices, the blend of nuisance, nonsense, calmness, whatever we feel inside. It is about the noise that we need to hear very closely. This helps us to develop the character and shape the character that we give in our creative writing process. Now we can choose these activities to, write. These are some of the activities that we can develop. So here comes with our creative thinking skills, where we need to process 5 steps. And what are the 5 steps? Read, reflect, write, revise, and reorganize. Reading others' work, reading our work, reflecting on it, write upon it, write the draft, then revising and reorganizing in a perfect pattern before submitting or publishing somewhere else. Then we come, this is important when we wrap up our work, because these 5 steps is mandatory while we talk about creative writing process. So this is the famous 5R process, where we need to inculcate our ideas, regenerate our thoughts, and bring it to the like a productive and a constructive bit of work. The next technique that we need to apply in creative writing process is the CGD formulation. This is my formulation. CGD technique, also called as craft, graft, and draft. We need to have a craft. We need to learn the techniques of writing. We need to explore the different genres, and then we need to fit in our ideas. Whatever information we collect, we need to fit into our frame, whatever genre we are writing. Even if it's a poetry, we need to fit our ideas, bring our ideas into that. That is called the grafting process. And drafting is when we organize, when we need to check our structure, pattern, coherence, cohesion, and of course the grammatical errors. We need to follow these 3: collecting information and implementing them, and then making a draft of the entire work. So that is the writing skill. This is one of the activities that we can do, we can adopt, we can try. How am I unique as a learner? We need to at least find 5 points and write like a reader. As if we are reader, how would we want to readers for us to, what would be a reader looking for in a writer? So these are the takeaways that we can get from this video, the 5R process, the CGD technique, which leads us to writing skill and awakening the unique learner. We have to be unique. How we are different from others or other writers, that has to be first identified. This will lead us towards a new goal, new achievement as a creative writer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you everybody, and namaskar.